Kia ora ti whānau, nō mai hoki mai. Now, last week I made a video on how to purchase PLS by using Ethereum on the Ethereum side, and then it bridges over and it purchases the PLS and then they send the PLS to you. Well, this is a new website and this is called Beetroot, which is quite a strange name, but cool, I guess. And this has an option where you can actually use any token to buy PLS. So this might actually suit you better. So I'm going to show you how to do it. And I mean, there's a host of different tokens that you can use on this. So I think you'll be fine. If you've got anything that you want to use to purchase PLS, this will definitely have you covered. So beetroot.world is the URL. And once you're there, if you come down to Anonymous Exchange, we'll click on that. And it gives you some information. And we will use this current promo code. So I'm just going to actually copy this just for now. And as you can see, it's by default it's on this, but if we click on here, there's all sorts of tokens. Like for example, if you put in USDT, you'll see that you can basically send from any chain. This even has Tron right down here. So you've got all these options. Okay, I'm going to give it a good test, and I'm going to use XRP. Okay, so which will probably require a tag, and I'm going to choose Ripple, this one here. Okay, and I'm going to send, I want to get about 1 million PLS, so I think about 350 should do it. Okay, not quite, go 380, that'll do. Okay, so 380 XRP will give me just over 1 million PLS, and that promo code, which is actually right there, let's deal. Okay, if we put that in here, paste that in there and click apply, that's going to give us an extra 5,387 PLS, so that's good because in time that could be worth quite a bit. Alright, so as you can see, this is the exchange rate, which looks good. I'm going to click on exchange. Okay, and then we need to put in our PLS receiving address. Okay, so I've got mine up here in MetaMask, so you should be able to just come here and just grab your address, the one that you want the PLS to go to. Okay, make sure it's the right address. So I'm going to copy that, and then I'll come back to here, add a refund address. Well, I don't need that because this is the refund. Well, you know what? We'll put it in here. Actually, no, I'm not going to bother. I'm not going to bother. But you could do that if you know, for extra security, just in case, you could add a refund address. Okay, but I'm not going to use that. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, you can add your email for notifications. I mean, look, it's probably a good idea. I'll add mine in here. Shane at betterhumans.com. Submit. Okay, so that's cool. Let's wait for that to load. It's done. Okay, so accept. Okay, click on accept. Okay, so you can see here, this is XRP. You probably won't have this if you're just using USDT or something. But right here, I need to add this destination tag when I'm sending XRP, because that's what XRP uses as a destination tag. So I'm going to click on this. I will send a deposit using provided destination tag. Okay, now it will, this now is visible, the actual address. So I'm going to copy that address. I've got a little bit of XRP in this wallet here. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to put that in there. Come back to here. I'll grab the tag. Come back to here, put in the tag. And it was 380. Okay, and then I want to click on send and send. And that's done. Okay. Right, so I would say that once it receives it, there will be some sort of confirmation. Let me have a look. Yeah, you can see here it's got a timer. Okay, and it's got these little dashes here, so I would say that when it actually receives it and recognizes it, this will change. We'll have a look. I'll speed up the video a bit anyway until we get to this stage here. Okay, so as you can see now it's exchanging. That took about 1.5 minutes before it started doing this. Remember, this is XRP, so it could be different on any token. Your deposit is confirmed, the exchange process is starting. Oh, we are exchanging your funds. So I'll come back to the video when it's a little bit further on in the process. Okay, so now you can see it says we are sending the swap funds to your wallet, waiting for the network confirmation. Okay, so we're just about there. Also here I've got floating, so it's on a floating rate, but you could actually send it, as a fixed rate. But I just left it on default as floating. I'll come back when this is actually just about sent. Okay, so that took, I guess, a total about 6 or 7 minutes, so it wasn't too bad. You can see it's been exchanged here, and all the details, you can see all these on the Explorer. But if I come up to my MetaMask, let's have a look, and it's been added. Yep, anyway, it got deposited, so everything worked as it should. So I quite like it. It's a good site. Now there is like an official one that's coming out. I think it's in testnet at the moment, so when that comes out I'll do another video. Anyway, I hope that helped, and have yourselves a wicked day. Kia kaha, and I will see you in the next video.